everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your artificial flower shop business. So if you are also running an artificial flower shop business and receive a lot of queries from your customers, then replying to these messages is so tiring. So I have brought the solution for this problem by creating a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chat Flow. So now if a user will send a message, an automated reply will send to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your artificial flower shop business. So the flower shop receive many queries daily about product availability, price and custom designs. Manually handling each customer queries delays response time and affect order conversion. So this chatbot will automate product showcasing, order taking and support, providing 24/7 instant response and personalized shopping experience without needing human intervention for basic queries. So now let's start creating a WhatsApp chatbot, but firstly I'm going to show you how a chatbot really works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chat Flow account, that is artificial flower shop. So now let's type a message here. Here I am entering a message that is hello flower shop. As I am entering this message, I am getting an automated welcome message that is hello, welcome to XYZ Artificial Flower Boutique. I am your virtual assistant. How can I help you today? And we are getting three buttons, that is view collection, custom bouquet and contact support. So now let's click on view collections and see what will happen further. As I'm selecting view collections, I am getting a message which consists of the list of the collection. So now let's open this list and see what are the products. So now let's choose this first option, that is home decor flowers. As I'm selecting home decor flowers, I am getting image of a floral mirror which is the featured item of the day, and here I am getting the details of this and we are getting a button that is buy now. So now let's click on buy now here. As I'm selecting buy now, it is asking me to enter my delivery address and contact number for placing the order. So now let's enter these details and place the order. Here I have entered this address and contact number. So I have got the message that is thank you, your order has been placed. So now let's enroll to our another option, that is custom bouquet. As I'm selecting custom bouquet, it is asking me to enter these descriptions, that is prefer color, purpose, budget and delivery date. So now let's enter these details and see what will happen further. Here as I have provided these details, I have got an image of a bouquet and I'm getting two buttons, that is place order and no thanks. So now let's click on place order. As I'm selecting place order, I'm getting a message that is thank you, your order has been placed. So now let's enroll to our last option, that is contact support. As I'm selecting contact support, I'm getting a message which consists of the contact number and email address of the shop. So you can see our chatbot is working properly. You can also create a chatbot like this for your artificial flower shop business by using Pabbly Chat Flow. For that you have to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you just have to click on sign in. As I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. For creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pabbly Chat Flow app, and on the Pabbly Chat Flow app, here you can see we are getting two buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing Pabbly Chat Flow, we just have to click on access now. Once you click on access now, you will get this dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my Pabbly Chat Flow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and here we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can just click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. Here you can see we are getting the option for folders. If you want to create your own folder, you can just click here and create it. Now moving on to the sidebar, these are the features provided by Pabbly. Now let me explain you these features shortly. So the first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our customer and we send them the automated replies. Now another one we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now the next one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing the chatbot here. Now the another one we are getting is templates. You can create your own templates here. Now the next one we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast your any message on a preferred date or your time, you can just click here. Now moving on to the next, we are getting flows. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. For creating a chatbot, we just need to access flows. Now another one we are getting is AI assistant. You can create or add your own AI assistant from here. Now the next one we are getting is settings. You can manage your settings according to you from here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can just click here. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now for creating a chatbot, we just need to access flows. For that, just click on flows. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also add your own flow by just clicking on add flow button. After clicking on add flow button, you will get this flow page, and here you can see we are getting the flow start node. If you want to provide a name to your flow, you can just provide it here. Here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for artificial flower shop. You can provide the name according to you. Now moving on to the flow start node, it is asking me to enter keywords. So you might be thinking, what are keywords? So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter. So now I am going to enter a keyword hello here. Here I have entered only one keyword, but you can enter as many as keywords you want. Now let's move on further, and here it is asking me to enter regex. So regex are the short form for the regular expression. These are used for a specific user input. But if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now next one we are getting is choose template. If you want to add template to your message, you can just click on choose template. Now if a user sends me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that, just drag and drop, and here we are getting many options such as text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message, and templates. So for adding a message, we just have to click on text plus button, and here you can see a message node has appeared. You can enter the message you want to send to your customers here. Here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my customer, and here I have written this sentence between asterisk signs to make it bold. So now I am going to add buttons. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my button. The first button I have created is view collections. Now I am going to create another button. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my second button. Now you can see I have created even my second button. Now let's create a third button. So I have created my third button also, that is contact supports. So here you can see I have entered this welcome message and created 3 buttons. Now if the user clicks on view collection, I want to provide them a list of the collections. So just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for list. So just select list and create your own list. Once you will click on list, you will get this message node, and here it is asking me to enter header, body, and footer for my list. So now let's enter the body for our list. Here you can see I have entered a body for my list. Now I am going to add items to my list. For that, I will just click on add section, and here it is asking me to enter the section title. Means you have to enter the title of your list. So now I am going to enter the title. Here I am providing section title as collection. Now I want to add items to my list. For that, I will just click on add item, and I am going to enter the title of my first item. The first item I have created is home decor flowers. You can create more items like this. So just click on add items and enter the title of your second item. Here you can see I have added 2 more items to my list, that is event flowers and gift bouquet. Now if the user clicks on home decor flower, I want to provide them home decor items with the image and the price of the item. So just drag and drop, and here select media here. By using media, you can add any type of media such as image, audio, video, document, etc. So now let's select it, and here a message node has appeared. It is asking me to select the media type. As I am sending the image, I will select media type as image. Now here it is asking me to enter or paste the URL or drag the file here. So now let's drag a file here. Here you can see I am having an image named Rosewood Mirror. So now let's drag this file and drop here. As I drop this file, I have already got the URL for this file. Now let's provide a caption to our image. I have provided it the caption feature item of the day. Now I want to add some details to this image. For that, I will just click on add content, and here we are getting the option for text plus button. So just select it and enter the details of the products. Here you can see I have provided the details of the product. Now I am going to create a button, that is buy now. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my button. Here I have created this button. Now if the user selects buy now, I want to ask them about their details. For that, you just have to go to actions, and here we are getting the option for ask question. So just select it. Once you will select ask question, this question node will appear, and here I am going to connect this buy now button with this question node. Now here we can enter the question we want to ask from our customer. So now let's enter the message here. Here you can see I have entered a message asking for the delivery address and contact number from the customer. Now it is asking me to select contact custom fields. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom fields. For that you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just click here and create your own fields. Now I am going to select contact custom field as details here, and the format would be any. Now if the user enter these details, I want to send them a message. For that just drag and drop and select text plus button here and enter the message you want to send to your customer. Here I have entered a thank you message for my customer. Now let's enhance our flow and provide custom bouquet option for our customers. For that firstly I am going to ask about the choice of the customer. For that I will go to actions, and here we are getting the option for the ask question. So just click here and you will get this question note. Now let's connect this custom bouquet button with this question note. Now here I am going to enter the message. Here I have entered a message asking for the preferred color, purpose, budget range and delivery date. Now let's select contact custom field as description here, and the format would be any. Now if the user enters these details, I want to send them an image of a bouquet. For that I will just drag and drop and here select media to enter the image I want to send to my customer. Now media type would be image. And moving on further, it is asking me to enter or paste the URL or drag the file here. So now let's drag a file here. Here you can see I am having an image named bouquet. Now let's drag this file and drop here. Now in the caption I am going to enter the price of this bouquet. Here I have entered the price. Now I am going to create some buttons. For that I will just click on add button and enter the text of my button. Here I have created a button named place orders. Now if the user select place order, I want to send them a message. For that just drag and drop and select text plus button here. Now if the user select place order, I want to send them a thank you message. For that I will just drag and connect this place order button with this message note. Now let's enhance our flow and provide contact support option to our customer. For that just drag and drop and select text plus button. Here in this message note I have provided the contact detail and email address for the shop. So here you can see this is the flow we have created for our artificial flower shop. You can also create a chatbot by creating flows like this. Now for saving this flow you just have to click on save. Once you will click on save, a pop-up will appear that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving the messages from our customer, let me take you towards my inbox. For that you just have to click on inbox on the sidebar. Once you will click on inbox, this inbox section will appear, and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my account. In this inbox section you can see we are successfully receiving messages from our customer and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to customers. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your artificial flower shop business by using Pabbly chat flows. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video. You can create multiple chatbots like this by using Pabbly chat flow. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So go and create your WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly chat flow for free now.